Okay, guys, when we start this next project that looks like this Jim Dine heart, Jim Dine is an artist that used hearts a lot in his artwork. We're going to make this one where it's going to be a giant heart that's going to be broken up into the different areas with different shapes inside of it. So the first thing you're going to do is get one of these square pieces of paper here, okay? And then you're going to make a heart, or I'll help you make it. And a heart is just, you come around to a point. The other side, you come around to a point. And there it is, okay? Now, when you break up your picture, you need to have your ruler and have your lines. Some of your lines are going to go across. How many lines? At least 3. You can do 4. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, those are my first 3 lines. Now I'm going to have 3 lines that go between these areas. Okay, so what I mean by that is this. This one will start at the top but stop here. This one's going to start here and stop here. And this one's going to go from here to the heart. Okay, now why did I do them here, here, and here? To spread them out so they weren't one here, one here, one here. Now it breaks it up into a nicer looking picture. So I'm going to add a few more lines here and there. Like I'm going to add one here. I'm going to add one here. I'm going to break this big area up into a little area. Okay, and I'm going to break this one up. So now, and one more. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then now I'm going to add some shapes. In this one, I'm going to add a circle here, a circle here, a circle here, a circle here. Then in this one, I'm going to add, I don't know, triangles. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Then down here, I'm going to add some lines. Okay. Then maybe up here, I'll do some zigzags. Okay, so I'm not filling everyone in, but just like maybe kind of every other one. Maybe I'll do some smaller circles in this one. Then I'm going to go back in and colorize this using watercolor pencils, and I'll show you how to do that next with this one. And then you're going to colorize it completely first, then you add the water afterwards. I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. Okay, go ahead.